Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send campus drive notification using Google Sheets and Telegram. So here my objective is that whenever I add a new details of a campus drive in my Google Sheet, then I want to use these details and I want to send a notification in my Telegram group where I have all the students. Now here, for this, I will create an integration between Google Sheets and Telegram. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. In Action application, I'm going to use Telegram. So how I am going to create this integration, for that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send notification of campus drive on my Telegram group. And I want this to happen automatically. So here I am working as an HR and I want to send a message on my Telegram group where I have a very big community of people who wants to get the notification for campus drive. So here I'm adding all the details of my campus drive on my Google Sheet. So whenever I will add new details of a drive in my Google Sheet, then automatically I want to send a message on my Telegram group to tell them about campus drive. So for this, I will build a connection between Google Drive and Telegram in such a way that whenever I will get a new details of a campus drive, then automatically I will send a message with the details of the drive on my Telegram group. So for that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect and this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send campus drive notification to students on Telegram. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select Home here and I will click on Create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and Action will just follow that. So we need to set up our Trigger first. And here my Trigger application will be Google Sheet. So I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. A new or updated spreadsheet row will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I will connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. And to connect these two accounts, I'm going to use this webhook URL, which is going to work as a bridge between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. And to connect these two accounts, I need to follow all this instruction. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL and I will go to Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheet and in this I'm using this spreadsheet which is named as Campus Drive and we are using Sheet 1 and we have these 4 columns here. So here I have the company name, date, time and the position. So now I'm going to connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So for that I will first go to extensions and I will go to add-ons and I'm going to open this get add-ons and this will take us to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here I'm going to search for Pabbly Connect webhook. So I'm going to open this and here we will see this extension. So we need to install this extension and I have already installed this. So I'm going to close this. Now we'll go to extensions and now I will go to Pabbly Connect webhook, which is my extension. And now I'm going to set up this extension. So for that, I'm going to click here on initial setup. And here I have these two details. First is of webhook URL and second one is of trigger column. So first I'm going to paste that webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste it here. And now I have to give a trigger column. The trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here in my Google Sheet, I have this column which is column D and this is my last data entry column. So I'm going to put column D here. So these are my details. Now I'm going to click on send test. Now here it says test data sent successfully. I will click on submit. And my setup is configured successfully. Now I'm going to close this and now we'll go back to extensions and I will go to Pabbly Connect webhook. And in this, I have this option of send on event. So I'm going to enable this. Now what this is going to do is that whenever I will add a new details of a drive in my Google Sheet, so I'm going to add these details in a new row. So whenever I will fill that row, it will automatically send the details of that row to Pabbly Connect. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this response. So this is my trigger column, which is column D, and the timing is 11 AM. My spreadsheet name is Campus Drive. We are using sheet 1 and the position is of video creator. Date is this 15th of January 2024 and the company name is Pabbly. So these are the details of the Campus Drive, and I want to send a message where I want to send the details of this Campus Drive on my Telegram group. So for that, I'm going to add my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application will be Telegram. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send a text message or reply will be my action event. Now I have to connect Telegram with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect, and I will click on add new connection. And to connect the Telegram bot, what I need to do is I need to first give a token, and where I'm going to get this token. So for that, I have to go to Telegram, and here I have to use bot father. Now here by using bot father, I'm going to create a new bot. So for that, I'm going to open this menu, and I'm going to select this option of create a new bot. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to give a name to my bot. So I'm going to give a name as Pabbly HR. So I'm going to send this. Now I have to give a username to my bot. And while giving the username, I have to keep one thing in my mind, that my username should always end with _bot. So my bot username will be Pabbly HR _bot. So I'm going to send this. And here my bot is created and I have got this token. So I'm going to copy this token and I'm going to start my bot. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste my token here. I will click on save. Now I have connected Telegram. Now to send the message on Telegram about my Campus Drive, what I need to do is I need to fill all these details, and first I need to have the chat ID. So for having the chat ID, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Telegram and I'm going to create a new group where I'm going to add all the students to whom I want to send the Telegram message and also the bot that I have created in Telegram. So let's go back to Telegram, and here I will create a new group. So I'll click here on this pencil button and I will click on new group. And in this group, first I will add my bot, which is Pabbly HR. And in this group, you can add all the students to whom you want to send their Campus Drive messages. Now we'll click on next. And I have to give a new group name. So my group name will be Campus Drive. Now we'll click on next. And here I have created this group, which is named as Campus Drive. Now I'm going to open this group. And here I have these two members. Now what I need to do is I need to make my bot as an admin. So I have to promote my bot as an admin in my group. So for that, I need to use my mobile phone, and in my mobile phone, I'm going to open my Telegram application, and in Telegram, I'm going to open my group and I'm going to promote my bot as an admin. And I only can do this with my mobile phone because I'm using Telegram web on my PC, and Telegram web doesn't support to promote anyone as an admin. So for that, I'm using my mobile phone. I'm going to open this group again. And here we can see that I have promoted my bot as an admin in this particular group. So I'm going to close this. Now what I need is I need a chat ID. So for the chat ID, you need to go to path URL. So here in the path URL, I have this chat ID. So after this dash, this is my chat ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And in the chat ID tab, I'm going to paste my chat ID. So I have mapped my chat ID of my group that I want to use. Now I have to give my text message. So I'm going to type my text message here. So this will be my message, which says attention all future stars. And here first I have to fill the company name. So for that, I'm going to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data automatically. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Google Sheet. And in this, I have this company name. So I'm going to map this. Now, whenever I will add new company, this detail is automatically going to change with the new company name. And the message continues with, Pabbly is coming to your college for Campus Drive and we are looking for bright minds like you, calling all passionate individuals in. And after this in, I have to map the position that this company is hiring for. So for that, I'm going to click here. I will give a space and I'm going to again open this response of Google Sheet and I'm going to find the position. So this is the position which is of video creator. So I'm going to map this, and the message continues with, we are seeking talent with a thirst of knowledge a drive to excel, and a creative spark. Join us on. Now in the position of date, I'm going to clear this date and I'm going to map the date. So I'm going to open this response again. And this is my date, which is 15th of January 2024. And at the position of time, I'm going to clear this. I will open Google Sheet response and I'm going to map the time. And the message ends with for the interview. So this will be my message. Attention all future stars. Pabbly is coming to your college for campus drive and we are looking for the bright minds like you. Calling all passionate individuals in video creator position. We are seeking talent with a thirst of knowledge, a drive to excel and a creative spark. Join us on date 15th of January 2024 at 11 a.m. for the interview. So this will be my message. And here we have these other details, but these are not the required details. So I'm going to leave this blank. And if you want to fill this detail, you can do that. Now I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have sent this message automatically on my Telegram group. Now to check this, let's go to Telegram. And here on my group, we can see that I have sent this particular message and it says, attention all future stars. Pabbly is coming to your college for a campus drive and we are looking for bright minds like you. Calling all passionate individuals in video creator. We are seeking talent with a thirst for knowledge, a drive to excel and a creative spark. Join us on 15th of January 2024 at 11 a.m. for the interview. So this is the same message that I have typed in Pabbly Connect and I have automatically sent this message on my Telegram group with the details of the campus drive that I had in my Google Sheet. So here I'm sending the message on my Telegram group with the details of the campus drive that I have in my Google Sheets automatically. Now to check this in real time, let's go back to Google Sheet. And here I'm going to fill these details again. So I'm filling these details. The company name is Demo, date is 16th of January 2024 and the timing is of 12 p.m. and the position is ABC. So I have completed my row. Now I have to see that if I send the message with these details of the drive automatically on my Telegram group or not. To check this, let's go back to Telegram. And here we can see I have sent this new message automatically on my Telegram group. So the message is, attention all future stars. Demo is coming to your college for a campus drive and we are looking for bright minds like you. Calling all passionate individuals in ABC. We are seeking talent with thirst of knowledge, a drive to excel and a creative spark. Join us on 16th of January 2024 at 12 p.m. for the interview. So these are the same details that I have just added in my Google Sheet for the drive and I have sent this message automatically on my Telegram group with the same details. So here my connection between Google Sheet and Telegram is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Google Sheet and Telegram in such a way that whenever we are adding new details of a campus drive in our Google Sheet, then we are using those campus drive details and we are sending a message automatically on our Telegram group with the details of that campus drive. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Google Sheets and my trigger event was new or updated spreadsheet row. Then I have set up my action and my action application was Telegram bot. And my action event was send a text message or reply. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.